Hi guys, today I want to show you a little bit of an asset I'm working on at the moment. This asset allows you to easily and conveniently combine static objects, load groups and dynamic objects too. So, I downloaded some models from free assets and threw them all in one pile. This scene has static objects, load groups, and objects with rigid body component. Let's run the scene and see what happens. The static objects are combined, the load groups are combined too, and the best part of it all, the dynamic objects are also combined into one mesh. You can move the original objects and the combined mesh will track the changes. Okay, that's all for now. Subscribe to the channel, follow updates on Unity forum, link in the description. Also give me feedback about my pronunciation, does it make sense or it's better to go back to the robot voiceover. Thanks for watching, goodbye.